Let me show you how we can go to the recovery mode and how we can exit it on the Realme Note 70T. So in order to go to the recovery mode, first of all, we need to turn off our device. So I'm gonna press the power button and volume up button at the same time in order to open the power menu, and then we're gonna slide down over here to power off our phone. And we need to wait for the phone to completely turn off. Once that happens, you can press and hold the power button and volume down. And we need to keep holding these two buttons together until you are in the recovery mode. So I'm gonna press and hold these two buttons now, and just keep holding them until you see the recovery mode. There we go. If you see no command over here, then you want to press and hold the power button, and then while holding the power button, press volume up, and you can release the power button afterwards. And as you can see, now we are in the recovery. Use the volume buttons in order to navigate over here. And if you want to exit the recovery mode, then you need to simply choose the reboot system now option. And that's pretty much it. And of course, you confirm your choice by pressing the power button. So once you select your option, press the power button. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe.